Hi, I'm Christina Etheridge with Leads and Leverage, and I help real estate agents sell more houses using Facebook. Today's question comes from Tristan, a member of our Facebook for Real Estate Agents Facebook group. Tristan says, I've got a brand new page I just started since my present page had a lot of realtor dead weight. Best posts to start with to get things rolling. Well, Tristan, here's the thing. First of all, congratulations for dumping that page that was not serving you well. The second part of this is the big piece is what are the best posts to use to get things rolling? Well, 100% of the time, you need to be using local posts. And here's what I mean by that. Local, local, local. Go out and take hundreds of pictures locally and start sharing those pictures. But more importantly, share your question about the picture or a thought about the picture. Share something that garners engagement. It's really important that when you're putting out these posts that you don't just make a statement, you don't just hope that people will make a connection about the post. You need to actually engage as if you were standing in front of one person having a conversation. Now, the other piece that's really going to help you is making sure that your Facebook page is set up correctly. So for everybody that doesn't know how to set up your page as far as how to actually get it to connect and resonate with people that you don't know, then you need to download the Facebook page setup checklist, which I have a link for that here for you. I'll walk you through the different things that you need to do, and some really important things like your header photo, your profile photo, and your page name make all the difference in how your page is received by people you do not know. So Tristan, make sure that you are out there taking lots of local photos, especially I would share when you're at local events. I would check in as your page at local events. Really be involved locally on your page. Good luck.